what's really going on. Bitcoin cryptocurrency, currently XLM, price action making its way towards stronger areas of support. We're failing to hold this key range of buy pressure here. We have, resistance overhead at 34 cents, giving price action a hard time. Price is failing to hold this 0.382 Fibba rigatoni level at 33 cents. So we see price action now under this 200 daily moving average and experiencing sell pressure off of it, looking for stronger technical support down below, which I believe is going to be near this 26-cent level per XLM. Price action in this much larger phase of sideways and accumulation here, interacting with resistance overhead at 40 cents per XLM and finding support off of this 26-cent level. So I do believe that is going to be a very bullish area of support waiting for us. Daily candles interacting with it, opening and closing above it, would further confirm it as support and a bullish area of accumulation as we await buy signals to return. At the moment, we are under the influence of some bearish robo advisors ever since the 16th of November here, when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish on XLM. But when we look back at this combination of robo advisors, we were able to see, after a bullish area of accumulation near 26 cents throughout July here, EngineeringRobo allowed you to see up to 63% in gains after that bullish area of accumulation. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, our robo advisors became bearish and allowed you to capitalize on 27% ROI if you sold at 33 cents. And then when those sell signals came into play, we did experience up to 23% in downside as we made our way towards stronger support at 26 cents. Since bouncing off of 26 cents, we've seen, a bullish area of accumulation presented itself technically at 31 cents throughout the beginning of October here. Since those bullish robo advisors, we've experienced up to 40% in gains over the following 39 days. And now technically, EngineeringRobo has become bearish on XLM in the short term here. And if you closed when these sell signals came into play near 34 cents, you were still able to capitalize on 9% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profits. So it is key to pick three of the many different robo advisors available, and once two of your chosen three become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. And so we definitely have seen easy upside ever since bullish areas of accumulation. You were able to capitalize on gains with EngineeringRobo's sell signals. These key areas of support and resistance have been interacting with price action for several months now, so I anticipate continued similar interaction with them. Support at 26 cents would be a very bullish area to be accumulating as long as daily candles are opening and closing above it. As we build the momentum to now plow through this recent range that we are leaving from between 34 and 33 cents, this is going to be a key range of potential resistance waiting for us as we look to break 40 cents overhead as the strongest technical resistance waiting for us. So we're always looking out for these technical key confirmations. In my opinion, this higher high on the 10th of November, this swing high relative to the 6th of September, is a very bullish sign for XLM. That is a higher high in my opinion. So right now we are looking for higher lows in any uptrend. We're looking for higher highs and higher lows. So if price action were to experience a similar amount of downside compared to these last combination of sell signals, up to 23% in downside from these sell signals, 23% in downside will put us right to the most bullish area of accumulation for XLM. So in my opinion, we are just in a very large range of accumulation here, and you were very much able to see from my support to my resistance an easy 54% in gains multiple times here. So I do believe we're looking at another opportunity to buy at 26 cents and perhaps sell at 40 cents as resistance. So in my opinion, we're just in this further phase of consolidation and accumulation. I'm still bullish on XLM as long as 26 cents is support. We're looking to get back above this 200 daily moving average to further establish the comfortable uptrend. Watch out for buy signals to return as we find support down below. Let me know where you think price action will go in the comment section below if you're bullish or bearish on XLM at current levels. Now, chain link against tether price action looking for support. In my opinion, we are interacting with resistance overhead. I do believe $24.77 is resistance. We need daily candles back above this key level. Daily candles opening and closing above it would further confirm it back as support, and we could use that as a bullish area of accumulation. Prices under the influence of sell signals as we get rejected from significant resistance overhead at $34.12. Price action now below this 200 daily moving average suggesting suggesting some sell pressure present as we look for stronger support. So as I mentioned, resistance overhead at $24.77. We have the 0.382 Fibonacci Illuminati level. $21.48 is a potential area of support here that we have experienced buy pressure off of previously. So we're looking for continued support off of that potential fib level. However, in my opinion, the strongest area of support is going to be down below at $18.44 in this sort of move downward if we fail to hold this fib level coming up here. So strongest area of support down below in the $18 level. Price action back above the $24 level and confirming it as support will send us to my immediate short-term target of resistance back at $34. Once we've broken that, we have another key level to consider at $44. So a price action in a bit of a phase of sideways here. If we see price action similar to XLM, a higher high printed on the 10th of November here relative to the, what are the odds, 6th of September, suggesting, a very bullish higher high in this uptrend forming. So we're looking for higher lows. If price action were to become bullish off of this 2148 key level here, that would be a higher low relative to price action throughout the end of September. So that would be a bullish higher low. However, I very much anticipate price action reaching the stronger area of technical support in the $18 level here. So let me know down below where you think Chainlink will go. Currently, we're under the influence of sell signals. We're waiting for buy signals to return. This combination of Robo advisors allowed you to see up to 115% ROI after the bullish area of accumulation was suggested near $16.66 throughout the end of July. Easily doubled your money with EngineeringRobo on Chainlink, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 69% in gains when EngineeringRobo became bearish here. And so since these sell signals, we have experienced up to 25% in downside as we looked for support through this phase of sideways and accumulation. A bullish area of accumulation was suggested by some buy signals throughout the second week of October here. These most recent buy signals allowed you to see up to 40% in gains after accumulation. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, EngineeringRobo has become bearish on Chainlink in the short term here, allowing you to still capitalize on 7% ROI with these sell suggestions as we await the more comfortably bullish area of accumulation. So let me know where you think price action will go. We're looking for a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself, which will likely be down below. Let me know in the comment section where you think price action will go, if you're bullish or bearish here. Now, Bitcoin Cash price action in this phase of sideways and accumulation. Currently, we're looking at the buy for Moon and Bollinger Band signals as our Robo advisors here. This combination of Robo advisors allowed you to see up to 59% in gains after the bullish area of accumulation suggested around $500 throughout the end of July. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high there, two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bearish around $661 per Bitcoin Cash, allowing you to capitalize on 31% ROI when, if you utilize these sell signals. And since these sell signals, we've experienced what appears to be up to 28% in downside before becoming bullish again, and now most recently we have interaction with buy signals. We have the bowling pin ban buy on the 22nd of September, the buy 4 on the 5th of October as two of our chosen three Robo advisors bullish on price action. We experienced up to 22% in gains over the following 35 days, only for EngineeringRobo to become bearish on price action, suggesting a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself ever since the 16th of November. And if you sold at those sell signals, you were able to break even as we await the more bullish area of comfortable accumulation. So my opinion, the strongest areas of support are going to be potentially this $500 key level here. That is a psychological round level that we have experienced buy pressure off of. So we're looking for continued buy pressure coming from it. Currently down below we have the 0.236 Fibonacci rigatoni level. $542.76 is potential support that we are currently interacting with. However, in my opinion, stronger support is down below, either at $500 or all the way down at $402. In my opinion, is going to be the strongest area of technical support waiting for us as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation. Currently under the influence of sell signals, in addition to price action experiencing a rejection off of this 200 daily moving average, does suggest that a stronger area of support and accumulation is to present itself here. In addition to this lower high on the 9th of November, this swing high is a lower lower high relative to the 6th of September, which is slightly more bearish for us here in the immediate short term, further suggesting that stronger support is awaiting us. So we're looking out for buy signals to return. We're looking out for interactions with support. Overhead, the strongest area of resistance is $662 per Bitcoin Cash. Once we've broken and confirmed that level as support, my immediate short-term target is going to be $972 as the next level of resistance moving forward. So right now we're looking for continued support and for some buy signals to return. Let me know in the comments down below if you're bullish or bearish on BCH at current levels. Now, Ethereum price action still sideways, still interacting with buy pressure, still looking for the most bullish areas of support. We have interaction with the strongest area of technical support, still down at $3,928 per Ethereum. Buy pressure definitely very much present. Currently interacting with the $4,199 key level here near current levels. So daily candles opening and closing above it can further confirm that as support as we await the area of resistance waiting for us, $4,376 per Ethereum, in addition to this key level here at $4,612 per Ethereum. So we have mild resistance overhead, very strong support down below. We are interacting with buy signals. That's buy 2 on the 25th of November, in addition to this buy 1 all the way back in the end of July here. So EngineeringRobo is still bullish on continued upside. It would be nice if this buy 4 can return to be more comfortably bullish on accumulation near current levels. I do believe we are experiencing a very healthy phase of sideways and accumulation, a retracement or pullback in what is very much an uptrend to further solidify the health of the longer term uptrend. So I still anticipate upside for Ethereum until any sort of factors suggest otherwise. Let me know where you think prices will go down below now. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently price action still under the influence of buy pressure as we make our way toward the strongest areas of support. These dips are getting bought up very quickly. We're looking out for these interactions with resistance. In my opinion, $55,725 is going to be needed to be confirmed as support here. When daily candles open and closes above it, we can look to potentially reconfirm that key level as support and await the break of resistance overhead. $58,800 per Bitcoin is going to be a rather significant resistance in my opinion, in addition to these upper key levels here within the 60K range that we just came from. Price action looking for a very bullish bounce off of strong support, which could very well be down below here. We have $52,641 per Bitcoin as a potential area of support. However, the strongest area of support, in my opinion, is still $48,472 per Bitcoin, and that would be a very bullish area of accumulation for us in the uptrend overall. And that would also look like an interaction with this 200 daily moving average, which would also be very bullish for the uptrend in the longer term. So I very much anticipate continued upside. The six-figure Bitcoin is still awaiting us. Right now, we are just looking for continued support. Bitcoin has very much seen some very strong upside in a very short amount of time. So I do believe, interactions downward like this, what's 25-30% in downside for Bitcoin? Because as you can see, the last time we experienced like about 26% in downside from that swing low, we set all-time highs, experiencing up to 73% in upside. So I do believe pullbacks and downside are very much necessary for any sort of uptrend. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Let me know in the comments down below where you think Bitcoin will go. What are your thoughts on price action currently? Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.